Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the asynchronous JavaScript. So let's take an example so you will get to know about it. Okay. So let's take an example of the again this one, make while water and this one. So let's reopen it. We are going to make it asynchronous, right? So let's remove it and put the logic. Here I'm going to console before entering into the console.log whiling. Uh, okay. So here we are going to add set timeout. Why it's not showing the set timeout? That we are going to use the function arrow functions, and here we are going to pass the time. This is done. Let's add the time console.log for carrots also. And here we are going to add this logs. Let's see how it behaves. Set timeout is already done. Okay. Boiling boil water, chop carrots. First, it will call this function, correct? Then it go to this boil water. It is taking too much time, okay? So skip it and print the next one. See, this is how the asynchronous work. It is not gonna be wait for the next instructions to come up, and if it zooms that if it is taking time, then it skip it and print the next one. Okay, and you can see when this timeout completes, then it printed this one. See, it printed at the last. So this is basically asynchronous mode, that they are not waiting for which task taking time. It will co-processing the thread, right? So this is a asynchronous example. So Node.js, that is come into a play role for the asynchronous things, right? If you want that response to pick back come one by asynchronously, so you can that's why we are using that's in high demand, that is called Node.js for asynchronous methods, right? So I hope you understand the meaning of asynchronous, right? And you will implement this one for asynchronous it comes in the role you can say lazy loading. So image is taking too much time to load, so you can execute the next other functions, and when once it's done, then you can show that image. That is also example of the asynchronous, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.